there's another shift that we talk about going from operator to owner.
Oh,
right?
yeah, for sure. Yeah.
And you can operate this business 24/7. Like it'll take it from you.
As most things in life will.
As most things in life will if you let them, right? But when you decide that you're going to change that mindset and move to owner and have run your life, and not and have your business fit into it. I love that about you. I love that the fact that you live your life that way, and it's an example to me and others.
It's definitely different, and it's not something that comes easy. I mean, it's, there's times, sometimes even today, after all this time, I still struggle with it when people will ask me a question about the way something is done in my business. And I'm like, yeah, I don't know. Like I'm so far removed from it and just managing it from afar now that there's some basic things people will ask me. And I'm like, yeah, I have no idea how that's done now. I mean, I know how I used to do it, but I don't know how it's done now. I know what the end result looks like, which is all I really care about.
Right.
But making that mindset shift to where you don't have to be in control of every tiny little thing, but yet you're still in control, if that makes any sense at all, is difficult.